On this video, I will share to you how to process the tourist visa going to Egypt and where to stay in Cairo, which is budget-friendly but elegant and cozy. Done ako sa pag-check-in na aking luggage. So, punta na ako ngayon sa security. I hope lang maging problema. Yeah, this is my first time and hopefully everything went well and walang maging problema in the future. Nagsita pa ako. Akala ko tuloy magkakaroon problema. Bawal pala yung video doon. So sabi niya sa akin, "You're taking the video? Yeah, only for myself." Okay, remove it. So ni-remove. Remove ko yung last video. So, punta na ako sa gate number 21. Na gate. So, wait. Duty free. Now done with the security. We're going down now to collect my baggage. They are all waiting for me.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it I'm here inside the window side of the airplane. It's good. So started. I hope it's not late and karating kagad ako ng Egypt. Kasi nandun na sina Inay sigurado sa by 3 o'clock andun na rin sina Inay at saka si Ate. Ayan. Window. Hopefully yung flight ko ngayon is maging safe na makarating ako ng Egypt today. No problem, no turbulence. Lord, guide me on this flight. Guide me pilot and also guide us on this. So, paano nga ba ako nag-start mag-apply para sa tourist visa going to Egypt? So, first is prepare muna ako ng mga documents like yung aking civil ID, yung passport, and yung salary certificate. Kasi yung civil ID dapat at least 6 months yung validity, even yung passport mo. After that, you need to go to Egypt Embassy here in Kuwait. Ang location nila nandun sa Al Salam. So, ibibigay mo lang yun. Magda-download ka ng apps nila, yung Egypt Gov Kuwait. And then, magsaset ka ng appointment para sa tourist visa application. And then, doon sa tourist visa application mo, pupunta ka doon, hindi naman ganun ka-crowded kasi ilan naman yung kumukuha ng tourist visa. No, magbabayad ka sa kanila ng yung para i-print yung appointment mo 2KD and then para sa visa application nasa 21KD yun. Yung processing time nila para sa tourist visa, it will take 7 days. So after 7 days, ibibigay na sa iyo yung passport mo kasi nakatatak dun sa passport yung visa. So ganun lang kasimple, ganun lang kadali, hindi masyadong complicated yung mga requirements nila with regards to visa application for tourists. Now done with the security. We're going down now to collect my baggage. They are all waiting for me.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to take this is my first time here in Cairo. I need to have some video and souvenir.
Yeah.
Yeah, still waiting for my bag. Madami. Parang ako yata yung kahuli-hulihan. Kasi ako yung kauna-unang nag-check-in kanina. So, most probably ako yung kahuli-hulihang ilalabas. Entrance. Yes? You need my passport. Otarin na pala dito. Hotel. O, diba? Something different. Instead na up and down, it's called. Yung stairs nila, para kang sumakay, para kang, ang design nila parang sa cruise line. So, ganun yung kanilang stairs. And then yung mga walls nila, ganyan yung mga design. So, very elegant. That's all for the first part. See you then on the second part of my Cairo adventure. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok account. Thank you for watching.